Wag naman ganyan.
Wow, ang ganda.
Pagod na kami.
Okay. We symbolize this is the cross because our
Marilyn Monroe talaga.
is Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. So, ito yung brain nagsisimbolize kasi kahit na anong talino ng tao, if you didn't magsasubmit ka sa Panginoon, kaya cross kami, nasa gitna. All of this thing, you cannot achieve it with your own understanding. Yourself. Talagang nakalintay ka talaga sa Panginoon, sa biyaya ng Panginoon. So, this is our, it's mostly is we are under Jesus Christ. Kaya nasa cross ang symbolize namin.
Perfect, perfect.
Yes. Okay. Psalms 37:4. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart.
Kaya para heart. Pinaghirapan ni Danny.
Heart ba?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Puso ng saging ate.
Puso na saging. Merong cross sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, Jesus is the center. Ibig sabihin, we delight in Him. Kaya nasa sentro talaga siya. Diba? Pag nagdi-delight tayo sa Panginoon, laging nasa gitna siya. In everything that we do, He is the center. So ito yung mga desires natin, ng tao, di po ba? Yes, we desire
You know, we
money.
should have Paul here because he's a tent maker. He was a tent maker.
Yes, we desire. Sino pong nagde-desire dito ng bahay? Amen! Nagde-desire na magkaroon ng family. Amen ako magkakaroon ng cellphone! S4! Marami po dito, no? Material things, and then itong mga blomster, itong mga balloons, it symbolizes happiness, joy, so yun, peace, na
May mga gold.
Amen.
material.
Yeah, material.
Material.